Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Marina, and I'm from Ciputra University, Surabaya. Today, I'm going to present a paper titled E-book for Education in Pandemic Era. Today's topic is an interesting to those of you who work as a lecturer or work in creative industry, especially in publishing field. During the next 5 minutes, we'll be learn about the importance of e-book in online education that is currently running. I've divided my presentation into 4 main parts. First is about education in pandemic era. The second part is about e-book in digital era. The third part will explain about the research that has been done and the result that found in the research. And the last part is conclusion, whether e-book really play an important role and support online education. First, I will explain about education in pandemic era. Education in this pandemic era has undergone many changes. The development of digital literacy has become an academic demand at every level of education in Indonesia, especially at university. Many university and lecturers are forced to change the way of learning, the way of communication, the media to be used, and media that used in learning process. As in the face-to-face education system, online learning activities also involve the delivery of learning material. In face-to-face, learning material is given by the lecturer or the teacher in the front of the class. Then in online learning, the material must be delivered to the other media. And because the online learning process run through the internet, the teaching materials are also mainly packaged in digital format that are uploaded in the pages or the online learning site that been used for the lecture. The second part is about e-book in digital era. The teaching materials, one for the example is book, are used to assess lecture in learning and teaching activities. One type of teaching materials is book. The digital format of book called e-book. In this modern era, e-book makes book easier to read and easier for students to accept because it's made in digital format and easy to share in internet or in website. E-book as a digital format of a book can always maintain the same quality. Easy to handle. Student can track or search content quickly because e-book usually always connect to the internet. E-book can be distributed using electronic media as internet or embedded into the website like Moodle. Before going into research explanation, I will show you the book that was used as a test material. This book contains materials and worksheets that help students in working on projects. This research is to find out whether e-book will help students in the learning process and make it easier for students to make the project. This study used a survey method that conduct in one of our elective class that students take to study making illustration concept. The instrument that was used is questionnaire to measure the response to the e-book. This research consists of several stages. Firstly, choosing the course and e-book to be studied. The e-book has been shown before. Secondly, carrying out learning using interactive e-book. The third, observation during teaching and learning activities. The fourth part is to do a post-test. The fifth part is data collecting and scoring the final result. In front, we can see the research result. The result of the study revealed that students have a high acceptance rate of ebook for academic use in this pandemic era. Moreover, ebook are easy to integrate with the online learning media use. The result of the study are accepted to encourage university to strengthen the use of ebook as learning and teaching material in learning process. Thank you all for listening my presentation.